Hello family, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. Today I want to make an Nsala soup. I didn't plan to make it video, but I said okay, let me just pick up my camera. So this is a goat meat and the stockfish. So let me go ahead and put other ingredients that you needed. Yeah, so Nsala soup is very healthy. This is the one of the soup that you don't need oil to cook. You just cook it without oil, no red oil, no groundnut oil, no olive oil. It's very healthy. So this is the goat meat and the stockfish. So let me go ahead and add other ingredients that we need for the seasoning of this meat. So farms, welcome back to my old and new subscribers. God bless you. I've been out for a very long time. Sorry for that. Yeah. I took a break without telling you farms, but it's well. So let me go ahead and prepare some of the things I will need for this soup. Okay, so I'm going to add stock, then a little salt. Then allow it to cook. So here are the spices I'm going to use for this Nsala soup. Very medicinal. This is what makes it Nsala soup. You see this thing? This is what makes this soup powerful. This thing you're seeing. As you can see it, they are very medicinal, very good for women, It cleanses your stomach, you understand? It cleanses your system, every one of us. So let me go ahead and blend them. This one I will not blend it. Then this one I don't want to blend it this time, but you can still blend it. But I'm going to blend these ones, and these ones. I'm going to roast it. Yeah, this one I'm going to roast it. This thing is still yet to be open. Yeah, I'll still open it up. So when I open it up, I will roast it and blend it. Yeah, there are 3 things I'm going to blend. So I'll come back to you. Remember, the meat is still on the fire. I left it there because it's stockfish and the meat, so it needs time to work on. So let me go and work on this. Okay, so here I come. This is our meat. This is the meat, our goat meat and the stockfish. Yeah, this is stockfish and the goat meat. So now I've cooked it to an extent. Now let us add some of the things. Okay, here are the pepper soup spices I have here. That one I blended, and I have my dry pepper. I'm going to add this dry pepper, and also I'm going to add this pepper here like this. I just want to add it like this. So if the food is too pepperish, although we are in the cold weather, I needed it. So this one I'm going to add everything now. So that is it. That is it. Remember that this soup doesn't need oil. Okay, so as I'm adding it, I have yam already here. I've cut it, so I'm going to add the yam. Okay, I don't know if you're seeing it too. So here is it now. I will still need water because we need water on this pepper soup, in this our Nsala soup. This is Nsala soup. You know, pepper soup and Nsala soup, they look alike because mostly the same thing they're using for it. Okay, so I'm going to add this now. Okay, then I'm going to add a little water again. So let's check and see how our soup is doing. So now I'm going to add crayfish. You cannot cook this soup without crayfish, fams. So I'm adding crayfish. Yeah. Then I have OGILI. Yeah, this is one of the things that make it Ofe Nsala. This is OGILI. So let's now turn them and test the soup. Okay. Wow. This is the real soup for this weather. This is really this soup for this weather. So with this yam, it will still, the consistency will still change. So it's still going. So let's see how it goes. This is the goat meat. Wow. So the liver has been melted, so let's check and see how. It's okay, but not yet. Let's cover it for 5 minutes again, then I'll come back for another thing. So I'm back. Let's check. Wow, it's really doing poto. So another thing I wanted to add is NCHANWU. I don't have a tazi leaf, sorry. So I'm going to replace it. This, as you can see, is fresh one, but I frozen it. I just got it out from freezer now. So it is fresh NCHANWU. Yeah, scent leaf. So if you have okazi leaves, you add. Okay, that will be very good because it's bitter. This one is not bitter. This soup is medicinal. I'm telling you, I won't lie to you. This soup is medicinal. As you can see, we don't add oil. Yeah, so let's allow this NCHANWU to cook. Then if you're watching up to this period, thank you so much. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Encourage your sister now. Put a thumbs up. We know the seller now. And share the video out. God bless you. So let's wait for a little while. So as we wait for the soup, I don't want to waste too much time. Let's make the pound the yam for this soup. It's always sweet when you use pounded yam for this nsala soup. It gives you joy, eh? Anytime you are in Omugwo. That is the best soup for Omugwo. Okay. So now I'm going to take out some water out. I'm going to take out some water. Yeah. Then I add some oily, small oil. I'm adding oil. Okay. So the water has been boiling. Let's add the pounded yam. This pounded yam is very good. Just put it small. It's already rising. That is how you know better pounded yam. I can't even finish it. So let's turn. You're welcome. Oh, come and join us to eat this pounded yam and the nsala soup. very easy to do. You can also use your real yam, but I'm not in the mood for that stress now. Since they have already made, and this one is good, it's 100%, it's not miss. You can see it, very nice, very nice. Although there are some pounded yam that are miss, this one I've tested it, this one is very nice. So what I'll do now, the water I remove, I'm going to add it now, and I'll allow it to cook. So just allow it to cook. Open it up. I'm doing it for this new generation that don't know how to turn fufu. Yeah, we no go and turn a fufu that will run people belly. So here is it. You can cover it as well. Allow it to cook. So let's cover it. So let's check the yam. Here is it. Okay. Don't have to make it too strong. Okay. So you have easy digestion. So if I just join all the pounded yam now, turn it very well, the pounded yam is already done. Okay, so here is it. It is done. It's done. Okay. So let's share the soup. Wow. Yeah. This is the consistency we need for this soup. This soup is clean. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Once you leave it to cool down, it will still come together again. Yeah, it will be thickened more. So for now, let's turn the stove off. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.
So guys, this is the soup. 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 So guys, this is